NHRC seeks reports on deaths in Noida sewage plant and Assam factory blast. The National Human Rights Commission has issued notices to the District Magistrate and Police Commissioner Gautam Budh Nagar over the reported death of two persons after inhaling toxic gases inside a sewage treatment plant at a residential society in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Taking suo motu cognizance of media reports, the Commission has sought a detailed report within 2 weeks. The report is expected to include the status of the investigation as well as compensation, if any, paid to the next kin of the victims. The Commission has observed that the contents of the news reports, if true, raise serious issues of human rights violations. The NHRC has also issued notices to the Assam Chief Secretary and Kachar Superintendent of Police over the reported death of four workers and serious injuries to two others in an explosion at a metal processing factory in Kachar district, Assam. Taking suo motu cognizance of media reports, the Commission has asked for a detailed report within 2 weeks. The report is expected to include the health status of the injured as well as the disbursement of compensation to the next of kin of the deceased and the injured workers. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Bye.